Hello everyone, my name is Riley and this is Chad's Shop. Tonight we'll be installing the new Fuze-Relay-Box into our 1999 C230 compressor. It took a while since we had to wait for the new Fuze-Relay-Box to arrive, but now that it's finally here, let's get to work. Step 1 is to remove the cover for the fuse box. Then we can access the tray where our new part will fit. Since we already had the original Fuze-Relay-Box removed, it didn't take long to install the new one. After we got the new part installed, I turned the key, started right up. And after turning the key over a few times and revving the car to the moon on the first crank, she seemed to be running fine, but as we soon came to find out, this car is not in good shape. We took it for a spin around the block, and after stepping on the gas, it stuttered a lot. And due to this problem, we didn't make it very far, stopping at the end of our street near the main road, turning around and heading home. On our way home, we were able to reach a top speed of 50 miles per hour. And for the record, I do not condone speeding through your own neighborhood, but for the purpose of this video, I'll make an exception. And for why this car isn't running right, my theory is that the injectors are clogged, and judging by the gridded vacuum lines, we've got some work to do in cleaning the internals. Fortunately, we've got plenty of time and leftover money we have yet to invest in this car, especially since we've already put around $2,000 into this build, including the $700 we practically donated to the Mercedes dealership after they ran a diagnosis, and the complimentary wash and vacuum, which they never did. So until next time, let's build something cool.
What do we get up to? 50. Not bad. She's not happy with life.
Nah, it's not running too good.
Oh well. Today's been a successful test. Hopefully next time we get it running a bit better. Get some sea foam. Possibly clean the injectors. Maybe then she'll run great. But until then, see you later.